Hi, my name is Dane Buchanan. I'm the Chief Data and Analytics Officer here at M+C Saatchi Performance. I've spent the last 15 years at the intersection of data, media and business strategy, building teams, models, platforms, helping clients understand the levers they can pull to maximize the impact of their media investment. What that means here at M+C Saatchi Performance is unifying media, measurement and decisions. Marketers are faced with a sea of fragmented insights and dashboards, and they still can't answer that one question: what is working? They've got attribution over here, media mix modeling over there, incrementality tests in another tab, and when 30% of your media spend is wasted, it's vital to know which 30% and how you can optimize and change that investment. And that's why we built M+C Saatchi OneView. We felt that traditional media measurement was broken. You have slow media mix models, you have bias attribution, and none of these are combined or talking together. With M+C Saatchi OneView, we triangulate media performance using the best of attribution, the best of media mix modeling, and supplemented with incrementality testing so we can verify everything that we are measuring. This is all within one platform for our clients, so it's easy to understand what's working, why, and how to drive action from those insights and recommendations. OneView isn't just another dashboard, it's your media effectiveness operating system. M+C Saatchi OneView is a solution that's built by data scientists but refined by marketers. The key benefits of this is that it brings together and triangulates your media performance through attribution for within-channel insights, media mix modeling for that strategic lens, all verified through incrementality testing. The beauty of OneView is it's fast. You can be live in as little as 7 to 14 days, depending on your data. It's granular. It provides that within-channel tactical optimizations. It also brings that strategic lens. It allows you to understand how much you should invest and where. This all feeds into an optimization and forecasting solution. You can optimize your media mix, understanding what your budget should be either for the year ahead or for the week ahead. And you can put your plan in and understand what the ROI will be on that before you go live. The key benefit of OneView is that it becomes your media effectiveness operating system, driving your day-to-day insights, your optimizations, and ultimately your brand growth. If you're ready to move from being reactive to proactive and separate the signal from the noise, reach out, book a demo, take OneView for a test drive, or book in a free measurement workshop.